objective of this lesson is to learn about the search formula in Excel. So what does the search formula do? Basically, the search formula will look for a text, for example here 2, 3, within another text, for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it will return the index at which this text starts. And this formula is useful when you do text manipulation, so you can combine it with other formulas, for example mid and so on. If you want to know more about mid and other text formulas like left and right, I'm gonna keep some links in the description. Let's start now. To understand this formula, we need to have an example. So we're gonna do equal search, and then you're gonna do find text. So my text is 23, so I'm gonna select it. Within text, I'm gonna select my other cell, and then you have a start number. What does the start number do? The start number tells Excel to start looking from a certain position in the text. So here I put 1, which means it's going to start looking from the first character onwards to try to find this 23. So I'm going to close the parenthesis, and as you can see I get 2. What does 2 mean? 2 means that it's going to start this text from the second character in this text. Now if we drag this formula down, again we have the find text 23 in this data or this cell, which is the same as before, but here what I've done, I started at 2. So I started at 2 just to show you that you still get 2. So when it returns the index, it will return the index from the start of the text. So you always know that it's on the second position of the whole text. Although it started looking from here onwards, from this part of the text, it started looking to see if I find my 23. Now in the next example, I'm asking the formula to start looking from the third character of the text, so from the 3 onwards. And as you can see, 23 is not available here from the third onwards. So you're going to see what the formula will return. So if I drag the formula down, I'll get an error. Again, why? Because I asked the formula to look from the third character for 23, and here you don't have 23, so it will give me an error. Last thing I want to show you is that if I drag the formula again on a text, and I have a text that is ABC in uppercase, but my text is in lowercase, the formula is not case sensitive, so it will still give you some information if it finds the text, whether it's in uppercase or lowercase.